dear friends, a very pleasant good morning. And I think there is a curiosity in your mind. What's the new topic of today? And what am I going to tell you? Then I am telling you the topic name is letter writing. Now you put a question that why should we write a letter? What's the reason of writing letter? Then friends, letter writing is an art. It is an art which everybody should develop both in professional and personal life. Hence, it's desirable to make what things? These letters attractive and interesting. Friends, man has been writing letters to their officers, high dignitaries, and to the editors and others since long ago. I know you are thinking about that. It's a digital time, and we have phone, laptop, computer, etc. Then why do we need write a letter? Then friends, in these days we compose email, and you can say email is the second form of the letters, and letter का जो दूसरा रूप है वो email है आज के टाइम में. So it's necessary for us to learn the writing skill of letter. Then we start. There are two kinds of letter. First, formal letter. And second one, informal letter. Formal letter, we include letters to editor, second business letter, and third official letter, official letters. And for application is also include formal letters. And fifth, social letters. Second one, informal letter. Which letter we write to our relatives? Letters to relative, letters to friends, letters to our friends. Letter to personal acquaintance, or personal letter. You can say it's the personal letter. This type of letters include in informal letters. Formal letter means जो लेटर हम ऑफिशियल वर्क के लिए लिखते हैं, फॉर्मल लेटर. एंड इनफॉर्मल लेटर जो लेटर हम रिलेटिव्स, फ्रेंड्स या किसी पर्सनल एक्वेंटेंस मीन्स पर्सनली हम किसे जानते हैं, नॉन पर्सन, उनके लिए जो लेटर्स हम लिखते हैं उनको ही हम क्या कहते हैं, इनफॉर्मल लेटर. नाउ फर्स्टली वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द फॉर्मल letter. There are 8 parts of formal letter. First, sender's address. Second, the date. Third, receiver address. And fourth, subject. And fifth, the celebration. And sixth, the body of the letter. And seven, subscription. And eight, signature. These are the 8 parts of formal letter. Sender address, the date, and after that receiver address, subject, the salutation and the body of the letter, subscription, and after that signature. Sender address, it is written, typed or printed at the left hand corner of any letter. And in your first step, you have to write the address of that person who sent or write the letter. After that, write the date. The date is written below the sender address, and the date is written as follow, like 7 July 2020. One format is, and you can put here th also if you want to write 7th July 2020. Don't put here any comma. And third format, if you want to write here month name firstly, then write July 7 and 2020. But comma is preceding the year. You have to put here comma after the date. If you write like this, that put here comma, and if you want to write those types, and don't put any comma. Okay. And then, and students, don't write your dates like this. Okay, students, listen. It's a little confusion. Suppose that I am writing here 8 July. Okay, and then 8/07 and 2020, 8/07/2020, and never write the date in such format. Okay, because in some countries it's the main not 8 July, it means 7 August. Okay, then write always the date in same format. Don't write like this. Third is receiver address. In receiver address, you write the receiver address that person to whom you want to receive your letter and to whom you want to write letter. Then write the address of that person. Okay, and his address always block 2 or 3 lines the lines of the date की 2 या 3 लाइन छोड़ के फिर आपको रिसीवर एड्रेस का लिखना है इसका. And then after that subject. Subject, you can write in subject the purpose, the reason of the letter, but write it shortly. And after that the salutation. In salutation you can use dear sir, dear sirs, dear madam, etc. And these words, dear sir, dear sirs, madam, etc. But in America, sirs is seldom used. They use only gentleman. Gentleman instead of sirs. Okay. After that, the body of the letter. The body of the letter, it is the main part of the letter. This part contains the actual message to be conveyed, and the body of the letter is to be brief, clear, to the point, and courteous. You should write the letter. Your letter should be clearly and briefly and shortly. Okay. If you write some extra information in your letter, then any businessman or any other person can't understand your purpose of the letter, and you will be misunderstood by him, and after that you shoot the letter briefly. If you write the unnecessary detail, the businessman has not time to attend the unnecessary details. After that, subscriptions. In subscription, you can use here informal letters, yours truly, and yours faithfully. Okay. And remember, then when you write any subscription, write the first letter Y in capital. Okay, it should be capitalized, and after that put your signature. And it's the total parts of total information about the formal letter. Now we are proceeding about the informal letter. And now in formal letter, there are 6 parts of formal letter. First, sender address, who write the address. Okay, who write the letter. Second, date. Third, don't write in formal letter receiver address and subject, etc. Now, the salutation, and for the body of the letter, and fifth, subscription, and sixth, your name, etc. Okay, write a name. Sender address. In sender address, I told you that sender address, who write the letter, write here his address. The date, after that date follow the sender address. And salutation, the salutation always depend on the relation or degree of intimacy between writer and the receiver and addressee. Okay, you can write the salutation according to their relationship. The body of the letter. The body of the letter in informal letter, there are 3 parts of the body of letter. In the firstly, you have to write in the body of letter region. Firstly, आप क्या लिखोगे उसमें? Reason. What is the reason of the writing letter? And second, main information. main information and purpose. Okay, and after that conclusion, and you have to write here the conclusion of the letter, and it should be in a polite way. Okay, you have to polite wish. Okay, and the body of the letter you can write in the paragraph, separate paragraph, and it should be well arranged and divided into separate paragraph one by one, and unless it is short, ये छोटा पैराग्राफ होना चाहिए. इस तरह से आप पैराग्राफ में इनको लिखोगे, the body of the letter. इसके बाद subscription also depend upon the relationship of the writer and the receiver, and after that write your name. It's the proper format, and you can say the proper parts of the informal letter. You can divide your informal letter into 6 parts. And students, I think there is a doubt in your mind that how should we write body of letter in the formal letter. How can we begin the formal letter? Then I am telling you some sentences. Okay, when you write formal letter, write your letter with these sentences. Okay, begin your letter with these sentences. Suppose that you are writing a letter to a businessman. Okay, businessman. What kind of sentences you have to use here? You can write in the beginning of the letter, means body of the letter. I am describing here body of the letter of formal. Okay, formal letter. First, you can write in business letter, I shall be thankful. I shall be thankful if you kindly. Okay, and then start the letter. Second way, I shall be glad if you send me. Okay. Sometime you ask some goods, then you can write this sentence. And third, may I draw your kind attention to. Okay, and fourth, would you be kind enough to send me, etc. Okay, means if you write the letter to an businessman, then you can use these sentences in your letter. At the beginning of the letter, first, I shall be thankful if you kindly. I shall be glad if you send me. May I draw your kind attention to, and would you be kind enough to send me. These lines, these sentences you should write for businessman. And now, suppose that you want to write a letter to an officer and want to write an application, then what should you write here? For officers और एप्लीकेशन में आप क्या लिखोगे? एप्लीकेशन में देखिए, फर्स्ट for officers and you want to write an application, then these sentences you can write here. First, I want I want to sell. Then start your letter. Second, I want to submit. Okay. And third, I have the honor to report. जो भी आप बात उसको आगे बोलना चाहते हो लिख देना. And fourth, reference to your advertisement publish in the Tribune. ये सेंटेंस आप तब लिखोगे जब कई बार ऐसा होता है कि एडवर्टाइजमेंट आपको पूछा जाता है कि भाई आपको रेफर किसने किया, किसने रेफरेंस दिया, और आप उसे बताते हो कि किसी न्यूज़पेपर में आपने उनका जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट है वो रीड किया है, उसके बाद आप उसके पास आए हो, कोई इंटरव्यू है या फिर अलग से कुछ आप अलग कोई एक्टिविटी करने वहां पर गए हो, कंपटीशन वगैरह के लिए जाते हो, तब आप उसमें ये वाली लाइन आपको लिखनी है, कोई एप्लीकेशन कोई लेटर वगैरह लिखना है तो आप उसमें ये वाली लाइन लिख सकते हो, रेफरेंस टू योर एडवर्टाइजमेंट publish in or write here the newspaper name. Okay. And students, now it's the form of solution and subscriptions. Then listen beta, here in this column you can read relation, salutation and subscriptions. Means क्या रिलेशन है आपके और उस रिलेशन में आपको क्या लिखना है, क्या उसको मतलब किन वर्ड से आप स्टार्ट करोगे उसके लिए, एंड आफ्टर दैट लास्ट में आप अपने लिए क्या लिखोगे. ओके, देखिए ब्लड रिलेशन है जैसे फादर है, मदर, अंकल, आंटी एटसेट्रा. देन यू ऑलवेज राइट इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लेटर व्हेन यू राइट द सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ द लेटर, माय डियर फादर, माय डियर मदर, my dear sister, dear brother, uncle, etc. Okay, you can add dear with your relationship, and after that you want to ending the letter, then these words is helpful for you. Your loving son, don't write here yours. Okay, if you are girl, write here your loving daughter. Okay. And if you are writing a letter to your sister or brother, then don't write here son. Here you have to write here sister or brother according to your name. Okay. And yours affectionately. आप इस वर्ड को भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है, या तो your loving son लिखो जैसे फादर मदर का लेते हैं, yours affectionately. एंड थर्ड में आप लिख सकते हो very, लगा सकते हो यहाँ पर very भी आप लिख सकते हो. मीन्स 3 फॉर्मेट है आपके सब्सक्रिप्शंस लिखने के, योर लविंग सन, योर लविंग डॉटर एटसेट्रा आप लिख सकते हो, योर्स अफेक्शनेटली एंड योर्स वेरी अफेक्शनेटली. ओके, इसके बाद है फ्रेंड्स. ओके, यू आर राइटिंग अ लेटर टू योर फ्रेंड्स. देन व्हाट शुड बी द सेलिब्रेशन, माय डियर कमल. ओके, हियर यू कैन राइट हियर द फ्रेंड्स नेम एंड अदर वे डियर कमल. And subscription में yours sincerely or yours very sincerely you can write here. After that it's the matter of the informal letter. Informal के लिए ये सब कुछ. Okay, now we are proceeding about the formal letter. Editor, suppose that you are writing a letter to the editor, businessman and high officials etc. Then which word you have to use? You can use here sir, sirs, or madam, ma'am, etc. words. Dear sir, dear sirs, and last yours faithfully. Okay, always write in formal letter. You have to write when you ending the letter yours faithfully. Okay, yours faithfully and yours truly. 2 वर्ड्स हैं, आप इन्हीं को लिखोगे, जो ये वर्ड्स अब यहाँ पर दिए हैं 2 टाइप्स से, तो आप इन्हीं तरह से लिखें. और सपोज आपको एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है स्कूल में, टीचर के लिए, प्रिंसिपल के लिए, हेडमास्टर के लिए आप एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे हो, तो आप क्या लिखोगे? सर, रिस्पेक्टेड सर आप लिख सकते हो, मैम है, मैडम है, जो भी है आप उनके अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पर मेंशन करना। एंड आफ्टर दैट योर्स फेथफुली, योर्स ऑबिडेंटली। अब देयर इज ए लिटिल कंफ्यूजन, योर्स फेथफुली और योर्स ऑबिडेंटली। स्टूडेंट्स, these words totally depend on the purpose why you are writing the letter and who write the letter. Okay, लेटर कौन लिख रहा है? अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो, बच्चे हो, अपने टीचर के लिए लिख रहे हो, अपने प्रिंसिपल सर के लिए लिख रहे हो, देन यू कैन राइट हियर योर्स ऑबिडेंटली। ओके, और किसी और पर्पज के लिए, जैसे आपके पेरेंट्स हैं, किसी और पर्पज के लिए आए हैं या उनके लिए तो वही इनफॉर्मल फॉर्मल में रह गए, तो आप वहां पर क्या लिखोगे? योर्स फेथफुली। ठीक है, किसी और पर्पज के लिए आपको लिखना है तो ठीक है। योर्स ऑबिडेंटली अगर आप स्टूडेंट के बिहाफ में किसी को लेटर लिख रहे हो, और अगर आपके पेरेंट्स वगैरह लिखते हैं, कोई बड़े लिखते हैं किसी और पर्पज से, देन यू कैन राइट हियर योर्स फेथफुली। इट इज द forms of salutation and subscription, and now you should pause the video and then write down the format in your fair notebook. Okay, look, yes friends, it's the format of a formal letter. Okay, with the format of a formal letter, you can write any formal letter without any help. You can write it yourself. But suppose that it's a page of your notebook. Okay, and on the left side, take a margin line. Okay, on the left side, write the center address at the top of the page and at the left hand corner. Center address. After that, date, and skip 2 lines here and write receiver address. After that, subject, then skip 1 line and salutation, body of letter, subscriptions, signature, and don't draw any column. Okay, don't draw any column because it's a format, so that it's become helpful for you. And listen students, those line, when you begin these lines, always remember they should be started, they should be begin with the left side and in equal place. Okay, okay, it's the format of formal letter. Now informal letter, it's the format of informal letter. Okay, those letters you write to your relatives, and in this letter you have to skip subject and receiver address. Don't write here receiver address and subject. Okay, and this is also as similar as your format of the formal letter and informal letter. Sender address, after that date, salutation, body, subscription and name. And always remember beta, write the name after signature always. Okay, you have to write the name when you put sign on the letter in फॉर्मल लेटर में आप जो साइन करते सिग्नेचर के लिए बताया था, उसके बाद आपको अपना नेम भी लिखना है और वहां पे अपनी पोजीशन भी बतानी है। ओके, और ये आपका फॉर्मेट है इनफॉर्मल का है। इनफॉर्मल में हम सब्जेक्ट नहीं लिखते और रिसीवर का एड्रेस भी नहीं